Start na, start! Si Ivan.
Ito si Ivan? Yeah.
Nga pala, no? Kasi magbabalagbagan pa tumama eh. Yung third game, maghahabulan na ng quotient dyan eh, no? Hindi natin alam kung sino.
Start ko na to, Rep. Ang bagal nila.
Let's get it on. First 2 points of the ball game goes to Volante.
Parang NBA player, hindi ganyan laro.
Gonzalez, Tonggal. Tonggal, nothing with net. 2 points. Here is Estrella to Balang. Balang fires. In and out. Rebound, Johnny.
Nakakatabad to kuya.
Kaya mo na.
Gonzalez. Tonggal.
Side naman ang kota yan eh.
Turnover.
Kaya mo reklamo sa pinto top.
Estrella bringing down the basketball. Volante. 15 on the shot clock. Wala. Rebound Johnny. Tonggal. Lead pass. Tomas Colados. 2 points. Four to 2, our official tally. Lalangan mula. Balang, fires another one. Balang, 3! 5 to 4. Tonggal. Short.
Uy, yung gate dun nakabukas oh.
Rebound.
Nakalumabas yung bola.
Laksamana all alone. Long. Rebound.
Pinakado yung gate dun.
Balang. Stops. Short.
Good.
Yung gate. Nakalumabas yung bola to.
Tonggal. Rebound Thomas. Volante. Lead pass to Estrella. Estrella. Thomas. Free throw jumper. 7 to 4 in favor of Cuatro Ballers. Gonzalez back to Jaime. Masculados. Fires. Rebound Bala. Lead pass Estrella. Estrella touchdown 2 points. Gonzalez tries a triple. Gonzalez, 3! 9-7 with 7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining in the first. 15 to shoot. Escobar, Estrella, Bala, Thomas, no. Tonggal lead pass to Masculados. Masculados lays up, no. Bala. Bala, Thomas, in and out. Tonggal, 2 points.
Roaring yata po siya.
Grabe! Bubas player!
9 all, our official tally. Estrella, 13 on the
Wala
shot
si Randy.
clock. Escobar, free throw jumper. No. Rebound Johnny. Lead pass Laksamana. Gonzalez, 2-on-2 break, 2-on-3 break, stops. No. Estrella tries a triple, in and out.
Hindi ko expect na kayo. Sabi niyo.
Masculados, high pass. Volante. His own version. Wala. Balang. Balang! 3! 12 to 9. Lalang tatlo ang Cuatro Ballers. 5 minutes and 48. Laksamana sa ilalim ng Masculados. In and out. Bala. Yo, rebound ng Sabana. Gonzalez, 2-on-3 break. Gonzalez lays out. Malakas. Rebound Estrella. Lead pass to Thomas. Thomas fires. Malakas. Rebound Jackie. Pascolanos. Gonzalez fakes. Shoots. Malakas. Rebound Thomas. Number 11. Short. Change players. Change foul.
Pasok po, pasok. Si Kutchon. Pasok, sir.
Ha?
Si Kutchon. Bago nila. Kaya alam mo na, Kelsey?
Oh.
John, ano yun, John? Ano yun, John? Bola!
Tongkay. Shoots. Escobar with the board. Here's De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes pops. Malakas. Peralta with the rebound. Peralta fakes. 2 points. Number 2. Number 24. The contractor. Wala.
No, pag wala ka ngayon.
Here's Peralta. Peralta over to De Los Reyes. Right hand layup. 2 points. Kuya Salvin. 2 points.
Tapo na. Pasok. Good.
Sino nakashoot kanina? De Los Reyes? Okay, Alvin.
Peralta.
Sponsor kasi nila eh.
2 points for number 18.
Laki oh.
You know, meron pa silang matangkad, no? Tapos gusto nila tanggalin si Aguilar. Ay, siya lang. Batch na yan, coach.
Longo.
Balagbagan na yan. Huwag na. Hindi na.
18 to 14.
Tsaka semis na rin naman eh.
Peralta. Escobar. Tries a tray. Row.
Yun ang haba ano, no?
Kick out. Tubala. In and out. Rebound long. Number 2. Number 2 gives it to number 18. Wala. Nakakuha ni Escobar. Bala. Kick out. Peralta. Jumper, no. Lead pass. Tongkay. 2 points. 18 to 16.
Salpaki! Pang Mayday ba?
Bala. Malakas. Rebound ng Escobar. No. Alvin. Alvin. To number 2. To go Alvin. Shotgun is good. 18 apiece. 2 minutes and 12. Peralta. Crosses over. Peralta. Reverse layup is good. 2 points. 20 to 18. Here comes the contractor. The contractor. Array of moves. Pull up. Go. Peralta. Peralta. Over to De Los Reyes. Jumper. Logan. Rebound Tagali. Thomas. Kick out. Long ball. In and out. Rebound Bala. Link pass to Peralta. Sa ilalim, number 18. 2 points. 22 to 18. Here's number 2. To number 18. Alvin. Yes, sir.
Grabe si Alvin.
22 to 20.
Condition.
Here's number 18. His own version. Runner. 2 points. 24-20. Lamang pa rin ang 4 ballers ang apat. Under a minute remaining. But there is a foul downstairs on number 13, Escobar. That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Huwag na kayo
18 on
mag-foul.
the shot clock. Tongkal. Kick out. Thomas fires. Lakas. Rebound. Squad. Escobar. De Los Reyes. 2 points. Seconds remaining. Malakas. Rebound Escobar. De Los Reyes, 2 points. Last 18 seconds on the quarter. Number 2. Blocked.
Tama dun, no?
Last 8 seconds. Number 18, coast to coast. In and out, gets us on this.
Baba pa kitungan, no?
Basket is good. Official tally 13-20 at the end of the first quarter in favor of Quattro Ballers.
Mas mahaba pa kitungan, eh. Match na yan doon. Balag-bagon kayo.
Back to the ball game. Start of our second quarter.
Ano position doon?
Dito. Red. Red. Red ball, red ball. Red ball, red ball. Red dito, rep ah. Dito kabila. Alam niyo yung nakaratas ano? Pinako. Alam mo, third ball.
R&B Gym Ball.
Ayan. Ship. Kasi alanganin tayo.
Wala pa kayo.
Number 11. Escobar. No. Offensive ball para. Number 11. Number 11. 33-20. Nabigat ko namin ang habol ng R&B Gym. Longo looks for a teammate, Los Grados. 12 on the shot clock. Naagaw, number 18. Pat Christine, number 2. Laksamana, out to Longo. Longo, 3! 33-23. Estrella. In and out for Volante. Thomas. Big double. Masculados. In and out. 2-1 break. Estrella. Volante back to Estrella. 2 points. 35-23. Opposing country. Laksamana sa ilalim. No. Rebound number 18. Basa. Number 2, kick out. Johnny. Takes. Laksamana. On low, number 2. In and out. Estrella. Touches. Malakas. Rebound Jeremy. Doctor. Longo. 3!
Bisyo ka na naman ha.
Bala goes all the way for 2. Thomas.
Ay,
Back pass.
pintuan dun.
26. Gabi tatlo pa rin ang hinahabol ng RMB Gym. With 7 minutes and 1 second remaining. Thomas. Malakas. Estrella with the board. Rescue between Volante and Estrella. Turnover.
Bakit na tinulog? Petro?
Number 61. Jolly 3! Sa una na, 39-29 with 6 minutes and 22. Here's Bada. No, offensive work on AD. No, second serving is no Dubain. He gets the rebound. He makes his move. Third try is good for number 18.
Laki nun, no? Ang haba nun, no?
Logo. Short. Put back for Mascarados and Logan. Bala. No. Rebound ng Samana.
Natatangkad pa yung kay Porolio, no? Natatangkad pa yung kay, ano? Kay Richmond.
Malakas. Rebound ng Escobar. Argil. Argil Escobar fires. Short. Thomas. Wala pa rin. Volante. Two points. 42-29. Our official tally with 5 minutes and 10. Number 2. Laksamana. Change players. Change players.
Diyan pa si NB. Balag-bagan niya yun ang third game.
Yan! Anong time? Anong time tayo?
Back to the action. Bala. Number 30. Bala. Short. Thomas. Free throw line jumper now. Rebound Magal. Gonzalez. Thomas. No. Magal put back 2. Gets no friendly roll. 43-31. Garata. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes with 2.
Das lang.
45-31.
Bopage lang yun, ah.
Laksamana. In and out. Rebound Bala. Bala. Gives it to Peralta. The other Bala. Bala. 28-31. 3 minutes and 40. Coisalve. Dongal. Fires. Malakas. Rebound Peralta. Peralta. 1-2-3 break. Peralta stops. Fakes. De Los Reyes. Pull up. Wala. Laksamana. This triple try. Short. Rebound De Los Reyes. Peralta. 1-3 break. Peralta shoots. Peralta scores. To 31. Naging shot. Reverse leg is good. Bala, way off the mark. 50-33. Points for Fialvin.
Sean, Alvin.
50-35. 39. Bala, to the other Bala. Airball. Thomas. Gonzalez. Kuya Alvin. Yes, gets the friendly roll. 52 to 41. Exactly a minute remaining. Number 727, Thomas. Rebound Tonggal. Number 2, the other Thomas. Bigay Gladwin. 2 points.
Back to back.
Back baskets for number 18. 52-43.
Dalawa na lang, ang ina.
Sorry. Bala. Wala. Laksa man. To Kuya Alvin.
Sayang, mababa.
Cannot recover the ball.
Mababa.
25,000.
Peralta. Last 15 seconds. Short. Tongkal reward, last 5 seconds. Here's number 2. To Gonzalez. End of the second quarter. Official score is 52 to 43 in favor of Quattro Ballers.
Magugulo pa pala to. Kasi yung quotient ng third game, kasi balagbagan doon.
Hindi malaman.
Kasi nung magugulo nga, wala natin mag-predict talaga eh.
Hindi mo mag-predict.
Kasi malay mo, tumambak ng 20 na higit yung third game. Ngayon, magkakagulo na naman dito.
Masabi lang, kikita lang ito. Dahil lang dyan, kalkulate.
Direto yun, nandun sa NB oh. Kaya pala, direto yung mga ginulo ng pantos. Kaya na eh. May plano eh, no?
Back to the ball game. Start of the third quarter.
Kala nyo, magkaroon lang kami ha.
This is just the second game of our game day between R&B Gym and Quattro Ballers. Meron pa ba tayong main event? It's a win or go home between WCBL and Hoopsters. Australia to start. Volante, go. Taco-tractor. Taco-tractor over to Gonzalez. To Jamie, fires. Short. Masculados, put back to. It's good. 52 to 45. Our official tally. Sa gitna.
Aba ano no? Oh? Taas
Second
sa'yo?
try. Third try is good.
Tangkad?
54 to 45. Low. Gives it to Chelly. Over to number 2. 14 to shoot. Nakagano mo lang eh. 2-on-1 break. Estrella gets the friendly basket. 2 points. 56 to 45. Under 9 minutes. Johnny cross court to the corner. Thomas drives. Kick out. Lomo. Malakas. Rebound number 2. Over to Johnny. No. Estrella gets the board. Over to Bala. Bala. Touchdown, 2 points. 58 to 45. Masculados all alone. In and out. Rebound Gonzalez to Thomas. 2 points. 58 to 47.
Si NB. Down!
2 points from Deva over 18.
Okay, ito. Meron.
Gonzalez.
Boss, lagay ko na ito dito.
Mahiram ka na naman jersey, sabi mo.
Javi. Sa gitna Masculados.
Makakalala na sakit.
Gonzalez. Short. Here is number 71 Bala. Same basketball with 14 to shoot.
Balagbag eh, ginamit niya yung pera eh. Hindi natin alam na eh. Wala sa ayos eh. Binalik na. Binalik na dahan-dahan.
66 to 54.
Kaputol-putol.
Number 11 goes all the way, 2 points. 68 to 54.
May masama kayong tension pala ako.
Number 24. Wow. Fires in the one.
Grabe yun ah. Ang 5 tres na yun ah.
68 to 57. Number 11. Shaman. Short. The contractor longer. Stops on the dime. Pulls up. Rondo.
Grabe ah.
68 to 60. Naalo pa ni Thomas. Thomas, his own version. Malakas. Rebound bala. Estrella. Short.
Mahaba ano no?
Number 18. In and out. Rebound Estrella. Gets the loose ball. Volante. Volante. 78 to 60. Or 71 to 60, I should say. Labing isa. Masculatos versus 4.5 remaining the third. Kaano number 18.
Dunk, dunk!
Number 18 wants to join the shooting party.
Si Brian.
Mahaba eh no? Kasintang ka na ito ni Brian eh no?
Number 2, Lolo. Another one, Lolo.
Grabe! Kondisyon!
71 to 60.
Kondisyon!
Number 11.
Ito na yun, pitong tres na yun!
Number 18, Escobar. No, rebound Thomas. Libras Masculatos is all alone with an easy 2 points. 71 to 65. Aba, anin lang yan. 3 minutes and 40 to be remaining in the third. Estrella. Short. Rebound Lono. Kaagaw. Red ball. The contractor.
Dito ka rin isang
Number 18, to Bala. Bala goes all the way, 2 points. Johnny, over to the contractor. Second serving is good. 73 to 67. Number 11. No good. Bala. Lays up for 2. 75 to 67. Lead pass. Masculatos all alone. 2 points. Escobar receives the end down. 75 to 69. Anin lang yan. Volante. Another triple. Volante. 3. 78 to 69. Jolly, runner, no. Masculatos, put back, over. Second serve try, no. Jolly, out to the contractor. Short. Masculatos, wala.
Ayaw! Yun!
Second serve is good.
Tawagan ng referee yan siya.
78-71. Balang says the loose ball. Balang goes all the way. 2 points. 80 to 71. Jolly.
Basket.
Walakas.
Manalo ka ba nanonood dyan?
Loose
Yung
ball.
takbo yan.
Long with 8 to shoot.
Oh, basket ko.
Gets his own miss. Put back 2. It's good.
Sa kanya pa rin.
80 to 73. Estrella. 2 points. 82 to 73. Thomas. No. Rebound number 18. Number 18 tries to dunk.
Sayang.
Gonzalez rebound. Johnny to Mascarados. Again, rebound long. The contractor, Paulo. Malakas. Rebound Escobar. Escobar. But there is a foul on Gonzalez. Gonzalez, that is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Putik na yan, sila full.
3 free throws awarded to number 13, Angel Escobar.
Grabe, sure ball ah.
3 out of 3 for Escobar, making the tally 85 to 73. Mascarados, 2 points. 85 to 75. That's 20 seconds. 2 points, slam dunk for number 18. Mascarados. This is Malaya. 87 to 75.
Dunk.
Seconds. Bala from the parking lot. Short. And in the third quarter, official score is 87 to 75 in favor of Cuatro Bowlers.
Ilan yan? 12? Dapat magpababa sila ng kahit mga 8 lang. Para mag-number 2 yung ano. Sa quotient kasi eh. Puta. Magutulong nga pala sa points eh. Kasi kung sino yung magiging panalo dito, magiging number 1 eh. Kasi para sila ng standing 4-1.
Back to the ball game. Start of our fourth quarter.
Grabe, ilang tres na yun? Sa 2, 3, 4, 5. 7? Ano? 7 tres? Ano?
Gonzalez, 1-3. Gonzalez, 3! 87 to 78.
Ay, bawasan ko to eh.
Spin in favor of Green. De Los Reyes. In the middle, Thomas.
Dali.
Malakas. Rebound from Guy. Over to Lamo. To number 18, all the way for 2. 87 to 80. Here's Bala. No. Taksamana with a rebound. Gonzalez. Runner 3. Gonzalez. 3. 87 to 83. Just a 2-possession ball game. With 8 minutes and 6 remaining in the fourth quarter. Peralta joins the party. No. Bala. Put back 2 is good. 89 to 83. Gonzalez. Gulomo. No.
Wala na, sub. Pagod na.
De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Kicks out to Peralta. 15 to shoot. Peralta to Escobar. Short. Rebound kay Alvin. Over to Gonzalez. Gonzalez quickly to Tongal. Layup for 2. 89 to 85. 4-point deficit for RMBJ. Thomas wants to add on the lead. They're good. Chris Alvin, lead pass to Tongal. Over to the backcourt. Grabe yun, 89 to 88, isa na naman lamang ng Cuatro Bowlers. Peralta, stops on time, gives it to Thomas, in and out. Put back 2 for number 27. 91 to 88, at lumuli ang naman ng Cuatro Bowlers. Gonzalez to Laksamana in the middle. Coizalde wants to join the party, no. Bala, alone, 2 points. 93 to 88. 5 ulit ang lamang. Pongal, corner shot. No. Gayalde. No good. Rebound Thomas.
Nga pala kasi magiging Porto din pala kung sino manalo dito sa dalawa.
Peralta. No. Longo. Longo. Fires another triple. Longo.
Grabe! Pang-shop na yan ah! Shop na yan ah! Shop na tres na yan ah!
Reyes over to Thomas. In and out. Tongai. Lead pass. Turnover.
Bali yung pinasahan mo eh!
Peralta. Peralta. To Thomas. 2 points. 95 to 91. Here's the contractor, number 24.
You know?
Short.
Grabe no, side step.
Rebound. 4 minutes and 40. Dennis Reyes gives it to number 27. 2 points. 97 to 91. Our official score with 4.5 remaining in the fourth.
Di man lang pinapawisan to.
Tongal. Over to Lomo. In and out. Rebound Thomas. Peralta. Steps back. Short. Laksamana. Lead pass to Lomo. 2 points. 97 to 93. Just a 2-possession ball game with under 4 minutes remaining in the fourth. Bala. Over to Peralta. Escobar. Rainbow Country. Short. Rebound Gonzalez. Over to Gayalde. Gayalde lays up. But there is a holding foul on number 26, De Los Reyes, only his first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. 2 free throws, awarded to number 18, Alvin.
Sino mananalo dyan? Para po.
Good on his first.
Pula?
Kain time yan.
Nahihirapan kong pula. Pag dun sa panton.
2 out of 2 for number 18. What a game for Quiz Alvin. 97 to 95.
Ito lang pang matalo eh. Green eh, no?
Bala goes all the way for 2. 99 to 95. Apat ulit ang kalamangan ng green.
Tira po.
The contractor fakes. The contractor fires. But there is a foul, back-to-back fouls on number 26, De Los Reyes. Second team foul. 3 free throws awarded to number 24, Longo.
Hindi nagme-mentis yun eh. Free throw. 12 free throw, walang tumablay. You know?
Not counted pag tumama sa ring, ha? Not counted pag tumama sa ring.
Aray ko.
Yo, grabe yun ah.
3 out of 3 for number 24.
Grabe talaga yun.
Isa na lang ang kalalaman, 99 to 98. Peralta tries a triple. Short.
Grabe.
Rebel.
Siyam na tres. Diyan mo 10.
Siya ka ba?
Siyam na.
Naging nga ako dyan.
Ayan na.
Another one. No.
Ay, sayang.
Rebound Alvin. Alvin. Stays. No. Bala. Reverse. Nagag. Tonggal.
Tingin ko to, mga 50 seconds.
Tonggal. He tries a tray.
Yawa! Yawa! Yawa!
101 to 99.
Yawa!
Dalawang pula. Peralta, over to Bala, over to Escobar. 2 points, Escobar.
I-appeal
We
one?
are all tied up at 101 with a minute
Oy, wag nyo na
and
ipa-overtime
26.
ha! Wala na akong oras!
Nahagaw. Escobar wants to regain the lead. Second serving is 2 points. 103.
Baka may plano pa kayo pa-overtime.
Nahagaw. Escobar, back-to-back baskets. 105 to 101. With 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining.
Ang ginayari ko yung
Gonzalez to the contractor from the parking lot. No. De Los Reyes. Peralta. Stops and pops. Back shot is good. 107 to 101. Last 43 seconds remaining in the game.
Saba, saba, saba!
Togal. Another one.
Ah, yawa! Yawa!
100%.
Yawa! Yate!
Peralta. De Los Reyes.
Pumasok! Yawa! Dati anak ko?
109 to 104. Last
Ala.
20 seconds.
Sabay, sabay, dali!
Last 6 seconds.
Teka.
Ban, paalala mo ha,
And
sa akin.
for the ball game,
Damit.
our official score is 109 to 104.